Hi, I'm Iris and I work from my laptop while traveling the world. Welcome to my series where I take you along on a typical workday and show you what it's like to stay productive while experiencing a different country. Right now, I'm in South Africa enjoying my days close to the beach. I've been in Cape Town for 3 weeks now. I work for a company in Europe, but my contract is remote, which means that I can essentially work from anywhere, as long as the time difference is not too messy and I can attend all of my meetings. But luckily, in South Africa, there's only a 1-hour difference. Alright, I'm gonna tidy up a bit because this place is a mess. The place I rented is a tiny garden cottage, which I'm obsessed with because it's so cute. I will film a whole separate video about it next. It's only a few blocks away from my favorite co-working space here in the city, where I will take you with me to work from in a second. Working from your laptop while traveling, it can be difficult to find decent places to work from. A lot of times, cafes are really loud or they might not like it when people bring their laptops and stay for hours, plus you need to find a place that has great Wi-Fi in case you got online meetings. This is why I love to go to co-working spaces. Today I'm at a place called Neighborhood. I believe they also rent rooms and they have an adorable little cafe right outside. In the back there's a big garden with lots of tables where I usually sit down with whatever I ordered from the cafe and get my work done. The best part is you're allowed to swim in the pool even if you're just here for the afternoon. But I didn't bring my swimsuit today because it was quite windy. I love working outside and the weather was perfect today. Most of the time I work from my Airbnb just because it's convenient and cozy, but there are days where I feel like I need to get out of the house and working from my room can get a little lonely after a while, which is another reason I'm grateful co-working spaces like this exist. There are so many other people who work from their laptops as well, and usually it's the same people that were here the day or the week before, so it's not that difficult to start a conversation with someone or even make friends. After a little snack, I move back into the cafe and spend my afternoon working from there. I wear my noise-cancelling headphones almost every time I work from a place with other people around, but today I didn't feel the need to use them since it was pretty quiet anyways. Done with work! I'm going to the beach right now. Being able to work from anywhere allows me to travel and experience other countries at a more relaxed pace instead of squeezing all of my holidays into 2 rushed weeks of typical sightseeing. I really wish everyone could experience this. Because I'm getting so many questions on my videos about how I managed to get a job like this and how I navigate work and travel, I finally decided to sit down and write down all of my tips and tricks, my biggest mistakes and everything I learned so far into one PDF that you guys can use as a resource. I will add the link to where you can download it into the video description. I really poured my heart into this one, so go check it out. But back to Cape Town, I love that I can settle into a daily routine here, go on morning walks, find my favorite restaurants and spend my evenings watching the sunset by the ocean. Of course I also do the regular touristy stuff, but I leave that to the weekends and my days off. To be honest, there are also nights where I just want to stay home and watch Netflix, and because I stay for a little longer, I have time for that as well. I ended my day going for a walk at the harbor and grabbing my favorite burger afterwards. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, have an amazing day and see you soon!